Now I've taken all 4 of my sidewalls and I flipped them onto their back side so that the leaves are facing the bottom here, and they're all facing the same direction where the slits are all at the same side. So now I'm going to moisten the top edge of one piece and taking my scoring tool, which has multiple needles. You can use a regular needle tool, you're just going to have to do a lot more scratching, so it's really nice to have one of these. Make some cuts and then take your slip again and just put a little layer of that on there. It's going to act a little bit as a glue. It's going to help bond these pieces together because they are leather hard, so they do need a little bit of extra moisture, and that'll do that. So then you do it on the top edge and then also on the side edge of the same piece. Get them really well scored and slipped. The gooier they are, the better they're going to stick together. So you're going to need to do that to all 4 pieces before you move on to putting it together.